respected President, Chief Guest, Manager, ladies and gentlemen, I have got a golden chance to speak in front of you on the occasion of 10th Sadharan Sabha of the Samisran Krishi Sahakari Sanstha. Thanks to our Samisran Sahakari Sanstha management team for giving me this chance. I am Ashutosh Chaudhary from Bakuliya, Bhawanipur. My school's name is White Crane School. I study in class 3. I am going to speak about goat farming. Goat farming in Nepal. All credits goes to Zika www Go GP. I collected all the information from above websites.
सबैजनाले ताली बजाइदिनु होला.
Introduction of goat farming. Goat is a multi-use animal which is commonly reared for the meat chewed in the different parts of the world. Goat is raised for the meat, milk, wool, and leather. Man's cow. In Nepal, the goats can be reared in different ecological zones. Hence, people are adopting goat farming as an enterprise. Sheep and goat are belonging to different species, but their management is almost similar. In Nepal, almost in all parts, sheep and goats are raised, and as all caste and ethnic people like goat meat. Day by day, goat farming has become a popular business for the goat farming. The meager needs of fodder and favor requirements of feeds compared to rearing other livestock. Good goat farming requires low investment. Seed making can also be possible in a low cost and easy to sell goats in the case of needs arises to farmer. So the goat farming enterprise is in growing trend. Livestock farming consists of 1/3 share of total agriculture gross domestic products GDP in Nepal. Thus, it contributes a major share in agriculture system as per data source of Department of Livestock Services fiscal year 2073-74, there were 109,86,114 goats in Nepal. Similarly, 65,583 metric tons of goat meat is produced, which is 20% of the total meat produced. Importance and benefits of goat farming. Meat production. Goat meat consists of 20.3% of the total meat produced in the country, and the demand is ever in increasing trend. In goat meat, we can find 76.8% water, 2.6% fat, 19.6% protein, and 1% minerals. Compost fertilizers for crops. Livestock are an integral part of agriculture. Goat farming has a major contribution in providing fertilizers to crop production. It has reduced the dependency to chemical fertilizers and enhanced the production capacity of the land. Thanks to Samisran Krishi Sahakari Sanstha management team, Bakuliya, Bhawanipur, Bara. Thank you.
धन्यवाद। आशुतोष चौधरीज्यूलाई। बाबुले चाहिँ एकदमै राम्रो चाहिँ हाम्रो बाख्रा फार्मिङको बारेमा चाहिँ भनेर जानुभयो हैन। किसानको लागि चाहिँ एकदमै बाख्रा फार्मिङ भनेको किसानहरूको लागि एकदम महत्त्वपूर्ण राम्रो पनि